on a Wednesday night. Say yeah. Alright, I gotta find me somebody real quick. Let me find me somebody. What's up? What's up? Alright, girls. Girls, don't you like to see a country boy shake it every now and then? Right here. Come on, he's ready. Come on. What's up? Y'all give it up for Russell. All right, Russell, I'm gonna bring it. Lord have mercy. Russell, how's it look up here, Russell? Looks pretty good, dog. It's pretty. Russell likes it. He likes it. All right, let me talk to you guys. Let me talk to you guys. Guys, we are outnumbered 10-1 in here tonight. We're outnumbered, and here's the deal. It's a Wednesday night, and if you can't hook up in here tonight on a Wednesday night, you are just plain ugly, and we can't do nothing for you. But no matter how ugly you may or may not be, Russell's gonna show you how to shake it a little bit, and you might get lucky. I don't know. What you think? Yeah? All right, girls, y'all got to get it going. All right. Start slow, Russell. You ready? Say country boy shake. Get on us. Russell. Hold up. Russell. Hold on. Who? No, Russell. Son. All right, girls, I'm gonna coach him through. Here we go, Russell. Do a little bit of that right there. Plant your feet, move it like that. Kind of do a little bit of that. All right, now turn around and give them a little of that right there. Hold on, we gotta get your cup out of your pocket. You gotta get your cup out. Ready? Say country boy. Not a dancer. Y'all give it up for Russell one more time. Hey, you damn so strong, I know that. Hey, y'all come backstage and drink a beer with me real quick. No. We'll see. Hey, y'all come backstage right after the show, all right? Russell. Feel the kick drum.